Hi, my name is Julio, owner of Fitness Foundry, and behind me is Fu the Fitness Feline, and she will be the executive producer for this segment. This is my first episode, episode 1, and I hope to be many, many more video casts. I'm going to start doing this because on top of the videos that I post, I feel I can do this on a weekly basis, and I can cover many, many topics for the fitness professional, all the way to the weekend warrior, whether you're a power lifter, runner, triathlon, weekend warrior, if you just want to lose weight. And I can also cover topics for the fitness professional, from the special population down to building your business, expectations after you get your certification, what gyms are best for you, and so that's why I'm going to try this avenue. I also probably not going to have a script, but one of the things I am going to stay on topic because I value your time. So I don't want to ramble. Just wanted to introduce myself and announce that I will be doing video casts in the future. If you have any topics that you're interested, put it in the comments. Please be fools awake and sneezing. Uh, please be nice in your comments. But again, I am doing this just to reach out to more people and just to let you know that your goals are achievable. Exercise science works, and I'm one of the resources that are available to you now. And with that, I say thank you, and here's to many more other episodes.